Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stream your PS5 to Discord so people can actually see what you're doing. And this is easy using just remote play. You don't need to buy a capture card or anything. You just have to have a decent internet connection. So if everything is like wired, this should actually work pretty good. So you can see on my Discord now, I have just it up. So what I want to do is go on over to just a web browser, and you can see I have remote play in the background. So this will stream my PS5 to my PC in this application, and then I can just simply take this and put it on over to Discord. So just go to google.com and then go to PS Remote Play, scroll on down, and it should be the first link at the top. And we want to make sure we get this for Windows, or if we're doing this on Mac or Linux, maybe we have Linux. So we can go to download right here and just choose Windows PC. And it should download in the top right. If it doesn't, you're going to have to go through these agreements and then go to download. And then it should prompt it. Okay, there it is. So just save it and it'll open it up. And let's go on down to the bottom of my screen. And I will open up this application. It should pop up. Sign in with your email account and password. Now, actually, what you might want to do is have a second account created that you're going to be using just for streaming to your PC. The reason is if you use one account, it's going to disable your controller unless you have your controller connected to your PC, if that makes any sense. So I usually have one account I use for sharing to my PC, and then I'm playing on my main account. So sign in with a different account. So once you have everything set up, you can just go to your PS5 and start streaming. So let's press this, and it should detect it if you're on the same network. So this is going to pop open real quick. And then I'm on my second account right now. So if I go back over to my profile, so you can see this feature is not available. But if you turn off and on your controller, you'll be connected. So I'm able to move around because I'm on a second account. This is very important. Otherwise, you have to connect it directly to your PC, which works well as well. But let's go to my second screen here and then go on over to this voice chat and start this up. Then go down to the bottom and go to share your screen. And this application should be on here somewhere. You can see it right here. Share screen. Just press it. And now I'm sharing my screen to Discord, my PS5. You can do this on your PS4 too. Very easy to do. Only takes a few moments. You don't have to buy a capture card. Although a capture card would be the best experience because then you wouldn't be using up your bandwidth at all. So if you notice yourself lagging or something like that, you might want to look into buying a capture card and routing that directly to your PC if you have one near you, and then direct your capture card to Discord so you can capture your screen. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.